Yep, it's snowing hard. We gotta go get Max because he missed the bus. And he's stuck out there. What a nightmare.
I bet Bo's behind the pole. Max!
Playlist.
Bro.
Where is he at?
He's behind the bushes.
There he is. Max! Daddy's here! Daddy to the rescue!
Be careful,
Max! Max, your daddy's here! I got Mia too! We heard you were scared! Daddy's here! How's my little boy? My little boy's scared in the snow? You ignore me? Daddy to the rescue. You took the wrong bus?
No, I took the right bus. That bus that was right there was the bus I took. It just did a full circle and the other bus didn't appear.
No? Okay. Were you scared?
No, but I cannot feel my feet or my face, and my feet are burning.
Max, we risked our lives to come and save you.
Your destination is on the right.
I can turn off my navigation.